Well, you know, every time that they say they're like doing laundry, we'll just give them a bunch of laundry to do.
Oh, I would enjoy that.
Oh, no.
Hey, Mon, what are you doing now? You want to come see a movie with us?
You know, actually, I was gonna do some laundry. Chandler, you wanna do it with me?
Sure, I'll do it with you.
Okay.
I overheard you guys on the phone the other day, and you said, I'll just tell Rachel that I'm doing laundry for a couple of hours, and he said, laundry? Is that my new nickname?
You know what? We just met. Okay. I'm gonna go get the clothes from the laundry room now, and when I come back, I'll clean behind the refrigerator.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word laundry. It means articles of clothing, linens, etc., that have been or are to be washed. Also means a business establishment where clothes, linens, etc., are laundered. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce laundry, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to lawn. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how laundry is used in real life.
Waiting for my grandma to finish my laundry. What about you?
Oh, well, your laundry smelled so good that I thought I'd curl up in it.
I'll just tell Rachel I'm gonna be doing laundry for a couple of hours.
In the laundry room.
She's mad because I know today's her laundry day, and that means...
You know, actually, I was gonna do some laundry. Okay, now that everything's wrapped up here, I think I'm gonna go do my laundry. Okay. I'm gonna go get the clothes from the laundry room now, and
you said, I'll just tell Rachel that I'm doing laundry for a couple of hours, and he...
Doing her laundry.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.